What's up, everybody, and welcome to a taste of Cafe Nailu, where everything is lip smacking, toe tapping good. Today it's cold outside, so I'm going to be making homemade tomato basil soup. So if you want to get a taste of it, let's get this ball rolling. I've peeled my garlic and also cut the ends. So we're going to just add that to the bowl, and we're going to put in a generous amount of olive oil and salt, just a sprinkle, and pepper. And we're just going to work that oil all over the tomatoes and the garlic. All right, as you can see, I've placed the tomatoes and garlic on an aluminum lined sheet pan. You don't have to do that, but that's easy cleanup. I'm going to put it in the oven that was preheated at 400, and I'm going to start out with maybe 35 to 40 minutes and see how they turn out then. And we'll be right back. All right, here's how we're looking after 40 minutes. And the skins are very easy to pull off, and we want to pull all those skins off of the tomatoes. And just get those on. It's very hot. All right, I've taken all the garlic out of the cloves, and I've peeled the skins, as you can see here. And I started to remove the top portion of the tomato because it's kind of hard. So I cut that off and put it to the side for the trash. And now we're gonna get ready to start mixing everything. Now it's time to add everything to the pot so we can start cooking. I'm adding in a can of whole tomatoes with juice, whole peeled tomatoes. That's my grandbaby in the background. And also the tomatoes that I roasted. I roasted these tomatoes, and I'm adding the garlic as well. I roasted the tomatoes because it gives it a richer flavor. So if you're wondering why I used roasted and canned, the roasted adds a rich flavor. All right, so we're gonna just break up everything. And these canned ones are a little harder to break up because I gotta put a little more force to it. Use the end of this. All right, I cooked down these tomatoes, and this was probably about 30 minutes. And now it's time to add in our seasonings. All right, I'm adding in onion powder and garlic powder. Even though I have fresh garlic, I still added a half a teaspoon of garlic. Let's see how that works. Add in some salt. And pepper. Mix that all in real good. I'm going to add in my basil. And I've used, this is sliced about 5 fresh basil leaves. And we're going to just let that cook a little while. Maybe another 20 minutes. Add in our heavy whipping cream. This is about a cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to let that cook for a little bit. Okay, I've added in my heavy whipping cream, and now I'm going to use my Immersion Blender. Okay, after the immersion blending, now it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to cook this for another 10 minutes, adding just a pat of butter to give it some extra flavor. Now look at this. Just decadence. Ooh, look at it. I tell you, I can't wait for it to be done. I'm going to get my grilled cheese sandwich with it, and it's going to be some eating going on. It's going to be time to drop the mic and grab the fork. What you say? Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video.